Welcome to this episode. For the Crowd One members, usually on Wednesday you claim your Crowd One rewards, and in this video I'll be guiding you on how you can claim your rewards every Wednesday. And if you're using your phone, you look for a browser. In this case, if you have Chrome or any other browser, you click on it. You'll be presented with a Crowd One logging in screen. Input your username. So I'll do that on my end. Do the same on yours. Remember, this is your username and also your password. Make sure that you keep it safe. Then we click on login. If you're presented with this captcha, make sure that you click on the requested images and verify. You'll be able to log in to your account. After logging in, we need to scroll down slowly. I think I'm going fast, so I'll do it. Let's see. So as you can see, you have account balance, and below that you have your Crowd One rewards. And as you can see, we need to claim that. So for me, I'll click on the claim button. Then again, you click on this button here. As you can see, I've claimed my rewards. So guys, make sure that each and every Wednesday you log in to your Crowd One back office and claim your rewards. Nice time, and see you on the next one.